Kaloma, you late again. Huwag mong sabihin na hinintay mo pa umalis yun lalaki.
Tumaan pa po kasi ako sa simbahan, teacher.
Nagsisimba pala ikaw. You believing in God.
Yes, teacher. Naniniwala po ako sa Panginoon.
Nasaan ba yon Panginoon mo?
Nasa taas po yun, Panginoon ko. Nasa langit po, teacher.
Okay. Can you see your God?
Hindi po, teacher.
Can you touch your God?
Hindi po, teacher.
Then, there is no God. According to science, that anything na hindi mo nakikita o nahahawakan does not exist, so you don't have a God.
Teacher, paano mo nasabi na walang Panginoon?
Common sense. Ayos may sense.
Where is your sense?
My sense is up here. In my brain.
Nakikita po ba ninyo, teacher, yon sense ninyo?
No.
Naaawakan po ba ninyo, teacher, ang sense ninyo?
No.
So sa madaling salita, there is no sense. Because according to science, anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So, you don't have sense.
Kaloma.
I hope mga kaloma nang enjoy kayo sa panunood. Bye bye mga kaloma. See you to my next video. At nag-iiwan ng kasabihan. Ang taong matulin maglakad, sa maniningil siya'y tumatakas.